taking a video right now.
Where's our whale?
Oh! Just caught it.
Spray.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see the spray, there's a whale there.
Obviously, Mom.
So you just gotta watch around that area.
Oh! I caught it! Oh my god, I caught it on the film! Oh my god!
Here's a slap of the tail, that's fine.
Oh, that was awesome!
Look! Catching them?
Yes, I'm getting it.
Yeah, you got it.
Twice! Oh, there we go.
You've ever been to one? Getting closer. Don't see it? Oh, he'll be back to one. That's what you used to do here the other year. They'd swim up there, then they'd come back.
Oh, back. Yeah, I got him. I got him.
No, pretty close, though. Get back here. We'll do video or picture.
Video? I'll take picture off the video after. So I'm not all that worried now. But I am backing up.
Got your video off. Here he is over here again.
I think he's going to hang around over there. I got it, Dad. It's a whale.
Good job.
God, for a second there I thought he was stuck.
It looked like, didn't it?
But I was thinking, well, if he's stuck when the tide comes in, he can get out anyway. All he has to do is wait for the tide.
There he is.
I got him.
Come on, show us the jump head.
There's a few out there now. I'm pretty sure I got one jumping.
Oh, there he is up.
Well, I guess he kind of managed to get his way out. He's unstuck. He's unstuck.
He came on glued. Yeah, he'll be moving across now. He's falling over this way.
That's what I was doing for the past 5 minutes before. Following him around. Oh! Oh! I got that one! Yes! He waved at us! Look, he's waving at us again! Oh my god!
Look, he's waving at you.
I got the video. Hey! Did you see it on the camera? Nice.
I hear him now.
Yeah, I hear him.
I heard him that time.
Look. There you go. I got it! I got it!
Those of them there now. They're all over the place.
Some of them are further out. I think they're coming back.
hook. See it?
I got it.
Don't let it come up in the water like you did the other year though, Pete.
Let's provoke them. Throw a little pieces of fish in.
God, they're coming along. They're right up in front of you.